So I'm back. This is part 2 of my video, bypassing my hot water heater on demand. I was planning on just pausing it, but what I ended up doing is I ended up turning it off. So if you were watching this video, sorry about that. So here's what we're doing. I've shut the water off, and I've shut the water off, and I've drained the line. Might still have some leaking, but we'll find out. Yep. I guess I didn't drain it very well. And this is the reason right here why I like to put plumber's antifreeze through my lines. Because you think you got them drained, but you don't. And sure enough, you go away on a trip somewhere, and you come back and you find out you got frozen lines. So I always like to use plumber's antifreeze in mine. Probably same thing as that with a hot water line. Let's see. Nope. See, I was planning on doing this when I did my water system originally, but then I just didn't get around to it. Kind of wish I would have now. Save me having to do it today, but that's fine. It is what it is. Okay. Like I say, PEX is the way to go. I love working with PEX. I've worked with copper before, and I like PEX a lot better. So, that will go in there, like that. That will go there like that. I may have cut that back short. That's going to go like that. Don't have enough hands. Okay, there's the cold water. I gotta tweak these lines a little bit, but I can do that later. And there's the hot water line. Turn that off. That's the hot water going to the hot water heater. Turn this off. That's the cold water. No, that's cold water going to the hot water heater, and this is the hot water coming out. I've now bypassed the hot water heater. So, if I plug the water back in, and I go over here, there's my cold water. It's working. Hot water, nothing. So what you do, come over here. I've got no hot water. You go over here and open up this valve. I've now got hot and cold taps are both working.